Maximize the performance of your conceptual design studies and deliver environmentally sound projects with the two-way interoperability between Autodesk Forma and Revit. Transfer your Forma geometry into Revit with the Send to Revit feature, converting your proposal buildings, site limits, terrain, and buildable areas into editable Revit elements. Iterate your design in Revit and update your Forma proposal with the changes. To get the latest version of the add-in, access the three-dot menu of any proposal thumbnail and select Download Revit add-in. Select the proposal you want to transfer and choose Send to Revit. In Revit, find the Forma add-in under the Massing and Site tab. Use the Load options to filter out which elements will be brought into Revit and how these elements will be represented. Use the Load Proposal tool to preview and transfer your proposal elements into Revit. The Forma terrain is brought as a Revit toposolid. Property lines are translated into model lines. Satellite imagery is applied to the toposolid as a material display in rendered or realistic views. Unit volumes, contexts, and existing buildings can be created as generic model families. Building envelopes can be created as conceptual mass elements. Buildings can optionally be translated as walls, floors, and roofs. Adjacent walls are merged into single elements. Rooms can be created for each of the proposal units. The Forma proposal's origin aligns with the project base point in Revit while keeping its georeference coordinates. Refresh your proposal in Forma with the updates created in Revit. Experience an improved iterative design workflow on your projects with this interoperability enhancement between Autodesk Forma and Revit 2024.